I'm Ron Miller. I'm a personal injury lawyer with Miller & Zoyce. I'm going to talk today about diminished value claims. A diminished value claim is when an at-fault driver causes an accident. The insurance company compensates you for that loss, but doesn't compensate you enough. They don't give you the full value of the vehicle, or they don't properly fix the vehicle, and it diminishes the value of your car. Technically, under the letter of the law, the insurance company is obligated to solve all of the damage that's been done to your vehicle. So if you have a vehicle that, let's say for example, you have serious property damage, but the vehicle is not totaled. Now, when you go to sell that car, on CarFax there's going to be an alert, this vehicle's been in a very serious accident. That diminishes the value of the vehicle. So ostensibly the insurance company should compensate you for that loss. Do they compensate you for that loss? Typically they don't. Well, how do they get away with that? The way they get away with it is this, is that generally speaking, unless the loss is great, the cost of bringing the claim, the cost of bringing an expert in to speak to the diminished value is more than the cost of the difference they could pay you. So they're able to skate by and pay you less because it's not cost effective for you to bring a lawsuit. If you have a lawyer and you're already bringing a claim, it's much easier to throw the diminished value claim into your case. But if you don't have a lawyer and you don't otherwise have a claim, it becomes usually cost prohibitive for the plaintiff to do that. The exceptions are certain types of, well, one, when the insurance company simply really does completely treat you in an unfair way, and the gap between the compensation you're entitled to and what they're willing to pay you is so wide, it makes sense to bring suit. And the other is in these cases of specialty vehicles where it's very hard to determine the value of them. You know the value, and you know you can proffer the evidence as to what the value is, but the insurance company simply refuses to consider it. And that happens all the time in those cases because they're rather dogmatic in their thinking in terms of what the real value and damage that has been done in a case is.